Welcome to 5 Minutes Solution channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add Discord bots to your server. For that, first you have to open your browser. After opening browser, you can go to a site called top.gg. After coming to this site, you can know about different type of bots in Discord. You can browse through them and know about them. For example, today I am going to add this dank memer bot into my server. So basically, for a Discord bot, you have to get the invitation link of that Discord bot. So for adding this dank memer bot, I will click on invite button here. Discord will ask you to log into their website. You have to log in. After logging in, this page will come. From here, you have to select your server. I am selecting this server of mine. Then you will have to click on continue. You have to give all these permissions. Then you have to click on authorize. You have to complete a reCAPTCHA by pressing click on I am human. By doing this, the bot will be added to your server. So let's check if the bot has been added or not. For that, let's go to Discord. Here is my that server where I added the bot. So here you can see the bot has been added. To know more about a bot, you have to go to that bot's site. So this is how you can add a bot to your server in Discord. Like and comment this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching.